How to buy Muppin token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy the token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screen, as you can see, and it's created just 9 hours ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token on this, and as you can see, this token came under the network of Solana. So to be able to buy this token, you can use the Phantom wallet for that. And as you can see here, just click here on swap. From the top, make sure to select the Solana token, of course. And from the bottom, as you can see here, click here and you can paste the token also in the search bar. Now, as you can see, if you can't find it here, for example, so what you need to do, you can now just change the wallet. So I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now, as you can see, go to your wallet. Now, to be able to add this token to your wallet, what you need to do, from the top right corner, you can click here and select the Solana network. After that, you can click on this plus icon and you can paste token in the search bar. So as you can see, this is our token. You can add it now to your wallet. Now click on this plus icon. So as you can see, this token added to our wallet. Now go back to your wallet to be able to find the token. Click here on the search icon and now just type the token name. As you can see, so this is our token. Now click on it. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to use, just click here on swap. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with. I suggest to use the USDT or any token that you have money on it. And now, as you can see, you can now type how much you want to buy. And here, as you can see, you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Muppin token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.